This McDonald's ad look real, right? So does this doll ad and this Coca-Cola ad too, but none of them are real. Every single one was made with AI. No budget, no camera, no actors. Let me show you how I did it. Step 1. I go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me creative ad prompts. It gave me several and I picked the one I like the best. Don't worry about how to prompt it. This is the template. Pause the video and screenshot it. Step 2. I took that prompt into Image FX by Google, paste it, generate, and in second I had realistic image. Then I click download. Step 3. I go to View AI. Click on it. Sign up with your Gmail account. Click here. Click image to video. Click generate video from image. Then upload your image from your gallery. Then I insert the video prompt that I got from ChatGPT. Then I scroll down and hit generate. This is where the real magic happened. It turned the image into full motion video ad. Here's the results. It looked like $20 million brand run, but it cost me nothing. So the process is simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.